PCB are classified into various classes based on the complexity, performance requirements, test requirements. There are a total of 3 classes of PCB as per IPC. Class 1 is for general electronics products and is the most common one. All our phones, toys, LED lights and many commercial products fall under this category. These products are intended to be used for short life and are generally available at lower price point. Class 2 PCB have more stringent requirements where the quality of the PCB must be better than Class 1 PCB. Class 1 PCB are for dedicated service products. Laptops, television we use in our home fall under Class 2 category. Quality of the PCB is important here compared to Class 1. Any PCB which is to be used in life-risk products fall under Class 3. Class 3 PCB must be fail-proof. Design requirements and test requirements are very stringent. PCB must run for a long time without any failure. All the military and aerospace PCB, medical PCB, space applications PCB fall under this category.